TakeFilms.com.
Oh my God, it's been a long time. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much आने के लिए. Good to see a theater full of no social distancing. It's fun, but yeah, it's different, right? We're all the same. So thank you so much for coming in. Now that I've said, Ayush, congratulations, first of all. We've been waiting for this one, but now that I've said that you've eaten a gym, you've worn a jacket and come so that you can hide everything that's under that. It's fantastic. Can I have a mic, please, for Ayush? How are you doing, buddy?
All good. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for coming. Means a lot. Thank you.
और अभी तो ट्रेलर आएगा, लेकिन एक्साइटमेंट तुम्हारी बहुत टाइम से चल रही है, बिकॉज अभी तक मेरे दिमाग में लव यात्री और चौगाड़ा चलता है मैं तुम्हें जब देखता हूँ. सो यू मस्ट बी रियली यू लाइक कोविड स्टॉप द वर्ल्ड फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं वेट ही कर रहा था दिखाने के लिए दूसरा अवतार.
I think the wait was worth it. काफी पेशेंस लगी इस जर्नी के लिए, अंतिम के लिए. But I think it gave me more time to prepare. It gave me more time to work on myself, and I think somewhere down the line it benefited us.
It really has. Please go stand next to your poster. It would be awesome. And अब जब यहाँ पे छोटे भाई हैं तो सर को तो बुलाना ही पड़ेगा. तो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सलमान खान के लिए तालियां हो जाएं. सर, प्लीज डू कम ऑन स्टेज. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on stage. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you.
And he's looking
doing
like a
well.
carbon copy, sir, of you. And I have to say,
No. He's not looking like a carbon copy of me. He's looking like a much better version of what he looked in Love Yatri.
how has it been, sir? It's been a tough
जब
time.
खुद की पिक्चर है ना तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. दूसरों की पिक्चर के बारे में नहीं, हम हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में बोलेंगे.
लेकिन 1.5 साल लग गया सर ये नया अवतार इसका भी देखने का. एंड ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक अवतार. यू नो वी बीन सीइंग, लाइक आई सेड, कि ट्रेलर तो अभी आएगा, बट द मोशन पोस्टर ऑल्सो वाज फैंटास्टिक. जिस तरह आंख के अंदर से जा रहा था. लिटिल बर्डी हैज टोल्ड मी a lot of that idea was also yours. कैसा था उसके बारे में सर?
यही था कि आजकल हमेशा जब कोई आइडिया आता है, जब कोई आइडिया हम सुनाते किसी को, तो ऐसा हो गया है कि सर ये नहीं हो सकता, स्टार्ट ही नहीं से करते हैं. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, ट्राई तो करो, कोशिश तो करो. फिर हमारे वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट टीम्स ने फिर वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और आपने वो डिजिटल पोस्टर देखा.
You know, it's been a long time, and it also actors के लिए क्या होता है कि you feel like doing something, you know, वो थोड़ा सा the nothingness of the time. I know it happens with, of course, everybody went through it, but especially for, you know, the stars of our industry. What were you all managing to do in that one? Was there a lot of script readings? Was there a lot of thinking back and forth? But how did that entire 1 year, or you know, say about a year and a half go since say Radhe and now? What was, how was the time being utilized?
So I was really lucky with that because Antim has started. So Mahesh had finished quite a bit of Antim. Radhe का सिर्फ कुछ ही बाकी था और थोड़ा सा राधे को अपग्रेड भी करना था. तो जैसे ये लॉकडाउन पहला वाला बंद हुआ, हमने जाके वो कंप्लीट कर दिया. फिर महेश एज ए डायरेक्टर इज लाइक वेरी बैंग ऑन, ही नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांट्स. तो जितना शूट करना था उतना ही शूट करके हमारी ये पिक्चर बन गई. सो वी वर लकी that Mr. Manjarkar was on our side, and this is his kind of filmmaking genre, which he's taking it to the next level. So let's see now. आप trailer वेलर देखोगे, आपको पसंद ही आएगा ना. हाँ.
तो अभी बोल ही दिया है तो sir, please do take a seat and let me show the trailer to everybody right now.
Can I give you a hand to come down?
महेश सर, प्लीज डू कम ऑन स्टेज सर. नहीं वैसे ये तो महेश सर 5.0 है सर. दूसरा महेश सर कहाँ है सर? आप इतने फिट लग रहे हैं, अलग लेवल. रवि बसरूर सर एंड हितेश मोदक, डू कम ऑन स्टेज. साउंड डिजाइन, लिरिक्स, music, everything Ravi Basrur sir has done. Lots and lots of questions to ask him as well. Can I get some more mics as well? And of course, as our gentlemen make their way on stage, Salman sir, do come on stage as well, sir, please. Sir. Congratulations, Mahesh sir. पहला सवाल सर आपसे. एक डायरेक्टर ऑलवेज जब शुरुआत करते हैं फिर वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं अपना बेबी. इसमें काफी समय लग गया बनाते बनाते. फॉर द डायरेक्टर आल्सो कंटिन्यूटी मैच करना, पेशेंस रखना, इट्स अ टफेस्ट जॉब. कैसा रहा सर आपके लिए?
नहीं, आई थिंक द जर्नी वाज बहुत स्मूथ था ये पिक्चर का. इनफैक्ट क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले रेडी थी एंड द एक्टर्स वर प्रिपेयर्ड. तो आधे से ज़्यादा काम तो मेरा वहीं इजी हो गया था. एंड कुछ नहीं, कहीं रुकी नहीं फिल्म. इन स्पाइट ऑफ देयर आर सम फिल्म्स व्हिच गेट लकी. इन स्पाइट ऑफ कोविड का ये भी हम लोग बीच में निकल के भी जस्ट फिनिश द फिल्म इन क्वाइट अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. एक तो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, तो एक आधा वरी निकल जाता है ना कि देयर यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर एनर्जी बाय यू नो कि अरे ये मांगता है मेरे को, वो मांगता है. एंड आई थिंक वी हैड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट. जो बेस, एक तो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग, जो बेस भी अच्छा था, तो वी ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट समथिंग यू नो. एक उसका बेस लेके द स्क्रिप्ट हैज शेप्ड अप वेल एंड इट वाज अ फिल्म व्हिच वाज टू माय लाइकिंग और मेरा जॉनर था. So I think things were easy, and this girl I found new, and I think she's going to give a lot of girls a run for their money.
High praise in your first film. Before I go to the rest of cast, sir, say बाकी महेश सर कहाँ चले गए? ये जो न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव्ड फिटनेस वाला वर्जन जो भी सलमान सर के साथ फिल्म करते हैं, सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था, but I had worked out just before Antim. I had lost about 35 kgs.
So that itself is a big round of applause for that, sir.
Yeah. I was 105.
Well done.
But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished Antim. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. फिर but then today I'm very happy to tell you that I'm cancer free and
Congratulations, sir. Well done. The fight is always tough.
And he got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out. And then, as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated. And now today he's
Looks fantastic. Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
He had I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot, and I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days, so I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time. आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation मुश्किल?
I think it was very different, as you said, that it's not me in real life. So, physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and used to help me before the shooting began, how to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman Bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you need to change yourself, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको,
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
me, if you ask
Both
me,
of you, sir.
Me?
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you were,
No,
he
we
was
were
work in
happy with
progress.
this product, but my sister got married to him.
but I
And
will
we are happy
want
with
to-
their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So
but if
this
you ask
production
me-
has done
If
well.
you ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. That this guy will deliver this much. But I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He's fantastic in the film, and I used to take hai, but I want people to see Salman in the film because he's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very, very satisfied when I see the thing. I feel ki they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Maima, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good
Yeah.
evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Chori nikal gayi.
Arey! Never did I think that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ने अगर Mahesh sir ने Salman sir ने भरोसा किया है, तो I should prove myself. And I am, like so said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. So for me to crack her and to pull her off was
Very simple,
oh no.
as you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. I mean, it's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
I'm so happy you really sound excited about that. That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Wait till the 26th.
Yes.
You probably won't be able to sleep at night. Two gentlemen over there. Yeah.
हाँ घरी पर नशीस है
Your family is here, right? Sweet. Two gentlemen standing over there. This conversation cannot continue without introducing them. Ravi Basrur Saab and Hitesh. Ravi Basrur Saab, KGF 1, you know. The first time I went into a theater to watch that, I was one of the few people. And I was discussing with Ravi sir. The sound when, you know, Yash walks in, it just blew everybody's mind away. So he created the BGM for that. And he's just one of the most incredible sound gentlemen that there is. The full sound
Thank you very much.
of this film, lyrics, everything is him. Sir, you know, होता है पर्दे के पीछे जो लोग होते हैं और जो साउंड बनाते हैं लोग they don't know them. बड़े stars दिख जाते हैं. You're a superstar down south as well. Sir, what is it to create sound for a film? Just, you know, for all our entire audience.
थैंक यू सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. मेरा मानना है कि बगीचे में फूल का बगीचे में बहुत सारे फूल होते हैं. सभी को भगवान का उधर यानी कि आपका उधर आने का बहुत तरस होता है. सो क्या होता है ना, जो जब हमारे अंदर का जो टैलेंट है, सो इट्स फर्स्ट सेलेक्टिंग द डायरेक्टर. आई वांट टू थैंक डायरेक्टर दोस्त. हमारे जो अंदर जो भी टैलेंट हो, विदाउट इनका सिलेक्शन हम आ नहीं सकते आपके उधर. उसके बाद प्रोडक्शन हाउस, सो दे आर द सेकंड गॉड. हमको खाना और हमारा जो मन में या आपको देने का है करके, सो उसको फुलफिल करने वाले प्रोडक्शन हाउस. थैंक्स लॉट सर मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट करने के लिए. सो टैलेंट सभी के ऊपर होते हैं, लेकिन टैलेंट का मतलब ही नहीं. सो जो सेलेक्ट करता है, उस जो अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है, ही इज़ द गॉड. थैंक्स लॉट फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी.
And Hitesh, बड़े पर्दे पर बड़े नाम के साथ जुड़ जाना, इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. यू नो, मैं कितने कंपोजर्स को जानता हूँ, कितने म्यूजिशियंस को जानता हूँ जिनकी आवाज़ होती है, लेकिन लाइक रवि सर सेड, वो पहुंचने का जरिया नहीं होता है. एंड यू नो दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, एनी टाइम यू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद सलमान सर, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म जस्ट इंक्रीजेस, इट जस्ट बिकम्स वाइडर. तो इस एक्सपीरियंस में आप जरूर बताएं.
मेनली तो मेरे लिए मतलब यहाँ पे सर और महेश सर और सलमान सर इनके साथ खड़ा होना, मतलब दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. मतलब
तो बैठ जाओ.
दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. एंड यू नो मतलब इनके जो थॉट्स थे गानों के लेके, एंड दे वर वेरी सॉर्टेड. And you know, I used to get suggestions from Salman sir also, Mahesh sir also, and then to incorporate their ideas on and you know work on the songs. It was a great experience for me, and matlab this is a dream for me also.
Lots of dreams getting fulfilled, and I will open out to. We haven't done this in a long time, so
तो
guys, आपके लिए.
रवि बसुर साहब से जब मेरी बात हुई तो मैंने उनको बोला कि इसका बैकग्राउंड को मेरे को ऐसा, सर आप फिक्र मत करो, थिएटर की कुर्सियां हिलेंगी. सो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द कुर्सी टू हिलो. क्या हिल रही थी कुर्सी? यू फेल दैट? यू गाइस फेल दैट हिलोइंग द कुर्सी? अब 2.5-3 साल हो गए थिएटर में कुछ चीज़ देखे हुए. पिक्चर तो छोड़ो, ये पहला ट्रेलर है जो देख रहे हैं हम, तो इफेक्ट थिएटर का पता चलता है that there is no other alternate to this big screen.
And we need films like yours to come out, sir. हम सबकी
Films like ours and
media
everyone
also-
else's, the whole industry, because and the fans to keep coming back into their theaters and be safe. That's the most important thing there.